And if you're interested in getting the vaccine, but you've been dragging your feet, many companies offering some free stuff if you get your shot. From donuts to money, new incentives have been rolling out to encourage people to get vaccinated.
And while some are motivated, some say this is adding more pressure on people who are on the fence. Tresia Bowles, lucky enough to be out and about in the beautiful downtown Greenville. Beautiful weather, Tresia. So see people behind you with no mask on. So I see people enjoying this new guidance.
Yes, Cody, I definitely haven't seen anyone walking outside with a mask on yet, but along with the CDC easing some of those mask enforcement guidelines to those who get vaccinated, they also are it seems to be some rising support from health officials in general, but some people feel though the handouts may come with the price. Let me tell you about some of those incentives they were talking about. Krispy Kreme is giving away a free Lay's donut to customers who show their vaccination card starting next weekend. Budweiser is offering free beer until May 16th, and Target is giving away a $5 coupon to shoppers who get their shots in the store's CVS pharmacy. And there are also places offering their employees money to take the vaccine. Most recently, Anderson County Schools District 5 announced they're giving $500 to staff who get the vaccine. Another example, Kroger is offering $100 to their employees for the full dose. To take it even further, Ohio is giving 5 people $1 million in a lottery-style giveaway. I read through a study with the Kaiser Family Foundation. Their poll explains that 47% of people who are taking their time about getting their shot say paid time off would make them more likely to follow through, and 39% say a financial incentive of at least $200 would motivate them. At the beginning of this week, DHEC says, at their meeting, they're working on collaborating with the Department of Education to work with schools to hold clinics and choose vaccine ambassadors to get more vaccines to students. Ansley Gaffney says she's going to take advantage of these incentives, while Sarah Maddox believes the incentive is more of a bribe.
I feel like people that are kind of on the fence about it, I think that's a way for them to be like, hey, this would be a really great way to, get the vaccine, people that aren't really sure if they should or not.
I don't think it's something to take lightly, in other words. I don't think that somebody should be offered $500 when they're on the fence about something that concerns their health.
Gaffney says she already received the second dose of the Pfizer vaccine. An Anderson school superintendent literally called me about an hour ago and told me he's already seeing an influx of staff letting him know that they're willing to get that shot. So he says it's working for them already. And of course, there are more companies offering incentives, and you may want to check with your job to see if they're offering any perks too. Live in Greenville, Tresia Bowles, Fox Carolina News.